Nigeria, hello Africa, hello bakers and pastry lovers all over the world. Is your girl, your favorite baker, the recipe queen.
My Ghana bakers in the house, make some noise. Ghana bakers in the house, make some noise. Ibadan bakers in the house, make some noise. Ogun State bakers in the house, make some noise. Lagos bakers in the house.
Hey, Solo, you heard it. You're a C-H. Let's do it now. Are you ready for this?
So don't forget, we're baking. We're on to the 20th recipe right away. Our lecturer of cake has written down the ingredients for the cake. In any moment from now, she's going to be announcing the ingredients for the next cake. That's the 20th recipe. Shout out to everybody that has come here to support you. May the good Lord enrich you. Today, the money you're supposed to make and you came here to support, you're going to make it 100-fold. God bless you. Everybody that has come here will see you, will celebrate you. From Ghana, from Benin Republic, from Port Harcourt. Everybody, I know people abroad are still watching us live. We'll see you and we'll say thank you. God bless you. All our partners that have given us gifts, God bless you. Don't forget, we have 3 anchors here. We have the Hype Extra, we have the Oversabi MC, and not forgetting my humble self, ANITA on the MIC. God bless you. And all our media partners, the mommy of today, the husband of today, and everybody that has come here to support. We'll see you. We are on to the 20th recipe. The 20th recipe. And this is the 7th hour. Chop chop, chop chop, are you ready for the 20th recipe? A round of applause for Choma as she gives us the 20th. A round of applause. A round of applause for Chop Chop as she gives us the 20th recipe. Are you ready to jot this down? Choma, if you're ready, we're ready. Just give me a signal and we'll continue.
Okay, the next recipe is my rich chocolate chips cake recipe. So I'll be using chocolate chips.
Rich chocolate chips recipe.
So the recipe here, for this recipe, we need 2 cups of cocoa powder,
2 cups of cocoa powder,
4 cups of flour,
4 cups of flour,
4 cups of sugar,
4 cups of sugar,
1 cup of oil,
1 cup of oil,
2 cups of liquid milk.
2 cups of liquid
So
milk.
we are using Hollandia milk.
Hollandia, shout out to Hollandia.
So 2 cups of dark chocolate chips,
2 cups of dark chocolate cheese,
5 eggs,
5 eggs,
2 tablespoons of browning,
2 tablespoons of brownie,
2 cups of warm water,
2 cups of warm water,
then 2 tablespoons of baking powder.
2 tablespoons of baking powder.
So in here I have my milk, eggs, sugar and oil. Two cups of cocoa powder, 4 cups of flour, 4 cups of sugar,
4 cups of sugar,
1 cup of oil,
1 cup of oil,
2 cups of liquid milk,
2 cups of milk,
2 cups of dark chocolate chips,
2 cups of dark chocolate
5
chips,
eggs,
5 eggs,
2 tablespoons of browning,
2 tablespoons of brownie,
2 cups of warm water,
2 cups of warm water,
and 2 tablespoons of baking powder.
2 tablespoons of baking powder. Ladies and gentlemen, rich chocolate chip cake. The 20th recipe, 30 more to go. Nobody can do this but the recipe queen. More oil, more grease. Well done.
So now We're going to mix these. Like I said, we have the milk, the oil, the sugar, the eggs, the brownie in here. There is no flavor for this recipe, so this is going to act like our flavor. Remember, our cocoa powder is a dry flavor, a dry type of flavor. Then we also have our chocolate chips here. So I use the Mesta. I mixed the dark compound chocolate chips and the milk compound chocolate chips. As you can see, we have two colors here, the light brown and the dark brown. So I mix them together.
Someone wants to know why you are using the balloon whisk for all the recipes, Mama.
Because it gives me a better textured cake.
Because it gives her a better textured cake.
Because if I use the KY bitter, it tends to drag my batter, and I don't like it. So this works for me perfectly.
It aerates it properly. Wow, amazing. Well done, well done, well done. The recipe queen in the building.
Here I have my baking powder, my flour, then I'm going to sieve all together with my cocoa powder. So I'm using low speed to mix the.
Remember to mix on low speed. All these details are important. Low speed, low heat, medium speed. All these come together to give you the perfect outcome.
So you don't know that baking is very easy. Very, very easy.
Easy for people like you that have been baking from your mother's womb.
For everybody. So the reason why I'm doing this is because I'm not going to sieve the cake batter. So now I'm going to pour in the dry ingredients together with the chocolate chips. Then the warm water.
Yeah, I'm coming out straight this time. I'm coming out with a little of my own kind of peace of mind. I'm doing it my way this
So
time.
mix everything together. I'm using medium speed.
Sit back, relax, and listen to this introduction. To me, myself, and my mission. My vision is to let you all see that it's more to this life than just faking up reality. Reality.
Put off and scrape the sides of my mixing bowl.
Then I brush your pretty. I hit the exercise and then I grab something to eat. Put on a piece of cloth and I step out into the street. And into the studio just to cook up some meat. Later to the club to make the people really heat. Because honest living and I'm proud of my own teeth. Making sure that all my mistakes I don't repeat. I can mind my own business and I don't give a shit. I say what's on my mind.
So don't forget to line the base of your pan for all your oil-based cake recipes. So now my cake batter is ready. So I have to start my cake batter, then I'll bake. So it's going into the oven.
So the reason why I say for the Eva is that I got my conscience by my side. Got peace of mind inside the
You know this, man.